The fact that she's serving a 20-year sentence, I'm like, interesting. That's cool.
And, one of the good things about the Maxwell prosecution was it really allowed for a lot of the victims to have their day in court. It allowed for them a bunch of different victims to testify in court and confront their accuser and some sort of result from that. That at least, those people were never able to confront Jeffrey Epstein in court for various reasons. The judge, even in the judge in the 2019 case, when a motion to dismiss the charges against him was filed because he was dead, that judge still allowed victims to come in and give their,
What I'm saying, under that law of having to, like the federal law, to be the right to be heard and the right to be notified, even with a motion to dismiss, I do believe that victims should be in court being able to be heard, even if we all know what's going to happen, but still that they deserve that, you know?
But when you have multiple witnesses all saying the same thing, all saying the same type of conduct occurred, all making the allegations that are the same, regardless of the background that they had and their own personal, circumstances, it is very clear and becomes a clear picture that is what happened. And there was no way for her lawyers to attack the credibility of these victims enough that it made it seem like this stuff didn't happen. It did, and it's been documented by hundreds and hundreds of victims that we know of, hundreds of victims. She was very much the ringleader behind a lot of the human trafficking and the prostitution and procuring these women for Epstein and for his friends and pals. And she was very much, Maxwell was very, very involved.
Yeah.
And is as culpable, if not more, than Epstein because she put a lot of these people in, she fed the monster.
The fact that she's serving a 20-year sentence, I'm like, interesting. That's cool.